Hello everybody, I've got a quick project to do today. Got to clean the shower head. It's got some errant sprays of water, so we're going to get all those back in alignment. I will demonstrate. See, like, some of them aren't spraying out at all. Like that. So we're going to take care of that pretty easily. This is something I just cobbled together, and into that I'm going to put distilled white vinegar. Got the vinegar loaded into my device. Now to install. And there it is, installed onto the shower head. This needs to sit at least 8 hours. Preferably do this after you shower before going to work, or showering at the end of the day and going to bed. It'll be ready to go by the next morning. So we'll check back here in a little while. It's about 2:54 in the afternoon. So we'll come back about 10, 11 o'clock and see how that's doing. Well, I just went ahead and let it sit overnight to the next day. Let's take it down and see how the shower head performs now. Got a couple of stubborn spray streams, so I just ran the old welding tip cleaner through a few of those, and now we're good. Very nice shower. So, thank you for watching.